Crimping a loop in monofilament line is an art form. If it's not performed correctly, it will create a weak spot in the line. You will need the following tools: a quality set of crimping pliers, sleeves, wire cutters, and a lighter. It is very important to match the size of the sleeve to the line size being used. Using wire cutters, trim the line to a point. This will make it much easier to push the line through the sleeve. Push the line through one side of the sleeve, then bring it around and back through the other side of the sleeve. Pull the tag end of the line further through the sleeve. This will make the next step easier for you. Keep the tag end of the line away from the other side of the line. Grab your lighter and melt the tag end. Once the tag end has cooled, push the tag end up against the sleeve. Create your loop size, and then you will be using the crimping tool next. Take your crimping tool. You will now crimp the sleeve just inside the edge. You will need to do this on both sides of the sleeve. When done correctly, this will leave a flare on both ends of the sleeve, and it will keep the sleeve from cutting into the mono.